Okay, so now I come to my next segment, Debatma. I like to call it sip and spill. Okay, since you're
Call
sipping
it.
your cup of coffee,
अच्छा,
this is
sipping.
sip and spill. Okay,
Right.
so I want you to spill some beans. तो आप अपनी कॉफी अपने हाथ में लीजिए और मैं आपको ये इंस्टेंसेस बताऊंगी अगर आपने अपनी जिंदगी में ऐसा कुछ किया है या कुछ हुआ है ऐसा इससे मिलता जुलता आपकी जिंदगी में तो यू टेक अ सिप एंड you tell me the story behind it.
I'm very bad at lying though. I don't know.
So you're not supposed to lie.
I know.
Okay.
I'm doomed. Like I don't want to show. I mean, मेरे expression से समझ में आ ही जाते हैं बहुत जल्दी.
Okay, let's begin. I'm looking
Yeah.
forward to this. Take a sip, and I think this is an obvious one. Take a sip if a lot of people often mispronounce your name.
देवात्मा. देव. किसी ने तो बोला था देवम ममा. I was like what? And then they come to a short form. They're like Debs, Debbie,
Oh.
Deba, Devo, Debatma. The first time is like, what is your name? Sorry, don't mind if I. No, it's completely all right. So habituated. Yeah. So yeah.
Okay. All right. Take a sip. Since you
Yeah.
mentioned you were a radio artist, take a sip. If you remember the first ever song that you recorded, like sung professionally.
It's a
First ever.
bhajan.
Okay.
वो कान्हा के भजन नहीं होते.
हाँ.
It's like मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर. So it's like a song. Radio में जो बजते हैं एकदम cultural. So it's that song.
I think I've heard that song. I बचपन में मैंने सुना है. I'm sure that's the same song.
Yeah. मीरा के प्रभु गिरधर नागर. It's that. It's like that. Yeah.
Oh, nice. Wow. Beautiful. Okay. Take a sip if you have made a fool of yourself in trying to impress a guy, a boy. School, college में. It's obvious.
Oh God.
कौन सी पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो गई ये बताओ.
God. I mean, I can't impress. I can't flirt or revert back to flirts. I'm that serious when it comes to that. And also, to be very frank, I'll share something with you.
हाँ.
Out in school, I mean, I had less friends. And thanks to that, I mean, I do have friends now, and it was beautiful, overall. But I'm just saying, so there was this crush of mine. I won't fill out his name as of now. But, सारे लड़कियों के साथ वो फ्लर्ट करता था बहुत ज्यादा. वो कृष्ण कन्हैया बन के घूमता था.
Okay. The Casanova of the school. Okay.
Yeah. So, I was the blackboard monitor. I hope you're not listening to this, by the way. So, but I was a blackboard monitor. I was doing something, and किसी ने शायद उसको challenge दिया था या कुछ तो किया था. And he tried to come close to me. इधर आके ना कुछ बोलने की कोशिश कर रहा था. And I freaked out. I was like, कोई लड़का मेरे पास में आ गया. I was like, oh my God. Okay. And I acted in such a weird way. I made a fool out of myself. I shouted and screamed at him. Oh no, I shouted at my crush. And I felt so bad after going back home. And the next day onwards, he was too rude to me. I mean, he used to treat me like, So, एक होता है ना, he's the most popular, one of the most popular guys, and I'm that not the popular zone wali girl,
Yeah.
And every girls, they used to, smirk at me somehow, I don't know, it was a gameplay kind of a thing that was happening. I was like, shit, normally baat kar leti yaar, Mishti, kya tha wo? Somehow it just happened, I freaked out. I got so nervous. I didn't have any other way out. I'm very shy. I'm way too shy. I'll be like, yeah.
Okay. And since you call yourself Mishti is your nickname? That's how people call you? You call yourself Mishti?
Yeah, Mishti. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, nice. That's very sweet indeed. Okay. All right. Take a sip. If you had, since we were talking about how your fans have been really, really nice and overwhelming support milta hai aapko. Take a sip if you've had overwhelming and a crazy fan encounter ever. something that left you very overwhelmed.
Talking about fans, this is one thing gifted by, one of, the sweetest lady that, I have had a conversation with. Like, she's too sweet. So she wanted me to wear this. I was like, definitely, I'm gonna do that. So this is how I try to revert back to them, because the love and support that I get from them is very overwhelming. It's quite overwhelming. I mean, last day ke dauran bhi, I mean, there was this girl named Tanvi. She came over. She tried to do her best. She tried to sing for us because she was so emotional. And not only her, but so many fans, they literally cried for us. That was way too overwhelming, because we being actors, we were way too attached to our characters. And to see some other people getting attached to our characters, that's overwhelming indeed. The love that you get. And there's this beautifully written thing, someone gifted me, पेन में लिखा हुआ, एक messages, एक quotes, those are just beautiful. I mean, I wish I could read it out to you, because those are just, I can't explain. I'm just way too happy and grateful and blessed. I feel blessed because of them. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. And since we are on fan messages, tell me about something crazy. Take a sip if you've received a crazy proposal to marry that person over DM. Would marriage proposals hote na DM pe, if you've received those?
Email आया था मुझे.
Oh.
I forgot that. Yeah. It's funny, शादी के लिए हम ये जिला से बिलोंग करते हैं, अपना पूरा डिटेल्स उन्होंने भेजा था, हम आपको पसंद करते हैं, शादी करनी है तो शादी हम तुम करके he used to say. I don't remember, he sent me his resume and everything, sent from कौन से डिस्ट्रिक्ट से वो बिलोंग करता है, the pin code and everything. And then he was like कि हम आपको बहुत पसंद करते हैं, एक बार आप मेरा प्रोफाइल इंस्टाग्राम में ये है, आप जाके एक बार देख लीजिए, पसंद आया तो ये मेरा नंबर है, प्लीज हमें व्हाट्सएप में टेक्स्ट कीजिएगा. बहुत
Very good, yeah. पूरा बायोडाटा over mail.
पूरा बायोडाटा over mail.
And it's so sweet. Yeah, look at the confidence also. Yeah, come on. You have to like confidence with full marks.
Confidence with definitely. But crazy, I found this. I was like, okay. And also, repeat में जब same इंसान आपको text करते रहता है, that was the first text. And the repeat में, he texted me something, there are weird people. I mean, you can't just ignore their texts, because they keep, pinching you back to back, and they'll say, threaten you somehow, which is of no use, I feel, so, I don't want to talk about that. But yeah, and one more thing, that's not crazy. I mean, my best friend, Akash, he's my best friend. It's like a to me. So, हम कहीं भी बाहर घूमने जाते हैं, तो, people were like, someone texted him, someone texted my mom, the same person, someone texted me as well. If you're dating Akash, why, make a fool out of all of us? I was like, what? So they have conclusion and everything, and that time I showed this to my friend, and he was like, that was funny also, but then, you can't revert back. It's obviously there.
Yeah, that's true. And sometimes, I think, इसीलिए इसको fan mania भी कहा जाता है, कि a lot of people, forget to blur those lines between an actor and actor's personal space. I know that you are also a public figure, and that's why people love you and they want to approach you. They want to be part of everything that you celebrate in your life. But that also they need to understand that there is a line that needs to be drawn somewhere, because, if you harass your favorite actor, how is she going to be, as receptive towards you? Or even if you are mentally, like you're not really in the good mental space, वो कैमरे पे भी शायद कहीं दर्शाएगा आपको.
Face and everything, rather than just pinching or poking them back to back.
That's true. So guys, please don't do that. That's not nice. Okay, next one. Take a sip if you've ever been compared to a Bollywood film actor ever in your life. A particular actress.
not compare, but similarities कुछ
हाँ.
जगह से,
Facial. अच्छा.
I'll take a sip.
अच्छा. Who was the actor?
But एक actor नहीं, like so many actors, and I'm like okay. सबसे ज़्यादा
Okay.
because of, so मौसमी चैटर्जी के साथ बोला गया है.
हाँ.
Like मौसमी चैटर्जी. Most of the people सामने से जब भी कोई मिलता है, so they're like मौसमी चैटर्जी because eyebrows या फिर teeth, set of teeth.
Yeah.
So because of that, and sideways से sometimes, not always, एकदम sideways से ना, someone told me I look like Alia sideways से, वो student of the year वाली.
Yeah.
Now though she's become more prettier and everything, but I don't know myself because I can't see myself. Na, it's sideways.
So I think your friend Vatsal is saying Ada Sharma. That's another comparison.
Oh no, you know why he's saying this? Because he wants to do a horror movie right now, and Ada Sharma is beautiful. She is beautiful. And she sharp, facial structure. I was like, no, I mean Ada Sharma is, ekdam. I know why he's saying this because I'm a fattu. जब हम horror movie, I'm the one, pillows के पीछे blanket लेके, so देख पता चला ये लोग हंसते रहते हैं हमेशा. So yeah.
So, but I'm glad Vatsal is here. I'm sure he'll be spilling some more beans that you are not spilling on camera. Okay, take a sip. If you've had a crazy or a really nice audition experience that you'd always remember and go back to, or a really crazy one.
I have given hell lot of auditions in my life, to be very frank. So, yes, people see, ki I get to do this, but the behind the scenes we have to do a lot of things basically.
Yeah.
And मैंने बहुत auditions दिए हैं अपनी जिंदगी में, and craziest one. ऐसा नहीं हुआ. My auditions were normal and simple, and they said कि if anything happens then we'll revert you back. Nothing like that happened, so I won't take a sip.
Okay, all right. Okay, understood. Okay, take a sip. If you have sung a song in front of the mirror, this is bachpan mein, sung a song to yourself, all by yourself, in front of the mirror, trying to appear as this Bollywood film heroine. Like होता ना, people imagine, बच्चे imagine करते हैं, oh, I'm this diva. You're drowning.
I took 2 sips because I have done that, and I still do that.
Okay.
I still do that. Yes, I still do that. I mean, I watch Britain's Got Talent or America's Got Talent, India's Got Talent sometimes, or YouTube पे. And अंदर की दिमाग जाग जाती है sometimes, and मैं mirror में, AC का जो remote होता है वो हाथ में लेने के बाद, I just that's a different feeling, ask me. Oh my goodness, I still do that. क्या है यहाँ पे?
Wow. Okay. The last one, not the last one, second last one. Take a sip if you remember, and a song, an Assamese song, that is one beautiful Assamese song that you remember and you always can sing at the drop of a hat.
मैंने बिहू डांस तो किया था, but I understand Assamese, but I can't speak in Assamese.
Actually, you can't. Okay.
Yeah, but I sang Maya, Maya Matu Maya, Tujan Khosale, Moru More Maya, Maya Bhara Dusofuloi, Hiya Duriya Sahibu. It's Zubin Garg का गाना है ये. So,
okay. Yeah. And what does it mean? What does it mean? Do you know the meaning?
It's about this girl named Maya. Okay. So Zubin is the lover here, and he sings this song for Maya, about Maya. This is, तुम अगर मुझसे दूर चले जाते तो I won't be able to leave Maya. So this is the kind of, उस जोन पे जाता है ये गाना. Maya, मतलब मायावी, तुम्हारी मायावी आंखें खोलो का.
Okay,
What
okay, all
about
right.
Maya thing? Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay. You
yeah.
you also you talk about your mom being the biggest influence in your life, and she was the one who pushed you into singing and everything. And we are all glad that we have a talent like yourself here. Take a sip. If you and your mother have a song together that is your song, like as a mother daughter, that you sing to.
When I was young, when I was a kid,
हाँ
तो खाना खिलाने के लिए मेरी मम्मी मेरे लिए एक छोटी बहन के लिए अलग सॉन्ग था उसका.
हाँ
Like my song was Chilo Bagai Dora Dora Da. It's like the song of a tiger. कि there was this tiger, उसके body में ना डोरा डोरा, you know.
हाँ the stripes. हाँ
Yeah, exactly.
हाँ
This is the song of a tiger, and it used to make me sleep, you know, while singing this song. So this is,
yeah.
I consider it to be our song. The first time I participated in this song.
Wow.
I was a
Wow.
kid and I wanted to sing this song because Mama made me learn this song, and I was
Wow.
very, yeah. So this is our song.
Very nice. That's very sweet. Now, Debatama, before I let you go, there's so many people watching us और इतने सारे सवाल हैं
Also
जो
here.
हमें लेना पड़ेगा. हाँ, who's here?
Is here.
So your audio is cracking. I couldn't hear you.
Karan, I said Karan Veer is also here.
Karanveer is here. Karan, do you want to join the live before we say goodbye? Because we are about to end the conversation. I'm trying. Let me add you. If he will accept my invitation? I can't see him. I can't see him. He's run away.
Yeah.
What is he saying?
He's not saying anything. He's वो आंखें ऐसे करके देख रहा है बस. Not.
No, I can't see him. I think he's just run away. Okay. So we'll do that interview together later. But let me just take a couple of fan questions.
Alright.
Okay, this is by one of your fan pages. I think Shruti Varun Dhawan. ये Varun Dhawan के भी fan है. I think. जो तेरा होवेगा release date. So much excitement around the music video.
We don't plan to reveal it yet, but
Okay.
we'll reveal it soon. And soon means soon. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि हम बहुत delay करेंगे.
हाँ.
But like we can plan it at around mid-September, or you know, last week or before the last week of September.
Okay, this is by anybody006. Your favorite time spent with KV, Karanveer Sharma and yourself. You guys have like a wonderful equation. The best moments, if you have to talk about, what would that be?
Best moments, I mean, while we were working, या फिर अभी भी जब हम काम पे मिले, you know, for 2 to 3 days, हम हमेशा मस्ती करते हैं. The favorite time, हम इतने, like he is very, you know, fun to be a person, fun to be with such a person, you know, like he's always fun, and also हम बहुत मस्ती करते हैं. So you know, every time, like, as a particularly, we won't be able to, you know, just select one time.
Yeah. Correct. Okay, let me take this. This is by Pranati. Okay, somehow it's not loading, but the question is, can we expect, this is by Pranati Ari Pirala, when can we expect a season 2 of Shaurya Aur Anokhi Ki Kahani? This is the question by Pranati.
Ask the makers for it. I literally, I can expect, I can say never say never. I can hope, fingers crossed, and the makers surely might, maybe. So just hope and pray. Yeah.
Because there's so many fan requests, especially after the show ended and when you guys culminated the series. There were so many fan requests, and that was the reason why I was also pushed into asking you guys to do this interview, because it's a crazy fan following and they're waiting for a season 2. It is a must do for the makers. I'm sure the makers also must be thinking about, okay, fine, ये तो अभी हम खत्म नहीं कर सकते. We have to actually look at a season 2.
हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते right now. I can't say anything, but yeah, I can hope for the best and say, and just keep on saying कि never say never. Who knows?
Right. Okay, this is by Peekaboo3. One thing you love, hate, and tolerate about KV. What are those 3
One
things?
thing that I love.
Love, then
hate.
one thing that you hate. not,
अलग से
not as the one thing. Alag alag.
possible. Okay, one thing I love is that he cares for everyone.
Yeah.
मतलब जो काम करेंगे, he is very caring about everyone. And one thing I hate, what do I hate?
Maybe he pulls your
He
leg.
gets
Does he pull your
serious
leg?
sometimes. Huh?
Acha. Does he pull your leg? I was saying. He gets serious, you're
No,
saying.
that's fun only, but sometimes मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि okay, serious तो मैं एकदम चुप हो जाती हूँ. I'll be like, Mishti, where's the script? Okay, fine, read it. So, but that's nothing that I hate. But yeah, I don't know. And tolerate. Oh my goodness, I have to tolerate him so much, man. I mean, he pulls my leg like anything. I mean, seriously, he's around. Nothing that I have to tolerate as such, but yeah, it's fun to be with.
Okay,
Yeah.
this one's by Sindhu Sagar. Next project, Deba, missing you on screen. That's a question by most of your fans.
So I started this music thing by myself. I'm
Right.
planning to somehow, I'm trying to go into this music thing. And apart from that, ऐसी बातचीत चल रही है. There are some projects which I'm trying to sort out as of now, which I'm trying to do. It's not sure, so it's not confirmed yet. So I can't just say anything because it takes time and lot of things to say yes.
Correct.
Yeah, I'm just looking forward to many things at this point of time. Let's hope for the best.
Okay, this is one more query about the music video that you guys have just shot. One interesting moment from the shooting of that music video, and there are a lot of fans who are also asking if you will be posting the behind the scenes of that music video before the release of the music video.
Plan that he's gonna make the channel and he's gonna post every BTS stuff over there. And meanwhile, YouTube channel, I'm gonna post the song. So it might be like that. I'll have to ask Kavi for that. But
Okay.
yes, definitely there will be some BTS moments as well. I guess so. Yes.
Okay, I'll end on this one question. This is about, this is by Glory Y 2020. Please ask her if she wants to be a part of Khatron Ke Khiladi someday. Why is this question coming? This question's been asked to Karanveer also. Why suddenly Khatron?
ये दो चीजें आती है. I tell you, Griya, it's like one is Khatron Ke Khiladi and one is Big Boss.
Big Boss.
और मैं इतनी फट्टू हूँ. The first thing like I remember the spiders and everything, I'll be like, okay, tata, bye bye. This might be my scenario, so I'm not sure. I have to brace my heart, and yeah, I don't know. I'll have to think about it if I get the chance to talk to someone regarding the show. And, yeah, so you can read my expressions, right? I mean, yeah, that's dangerous, yeah. On my fattu,
Since all the Sark lovers are here, this is the last question that I'd like to take. This is by Alina Bijoy. She wants to know what is Debatama's favorite scene from the show. Do you have one particular favorite or there are many favorites?
अनोखी के जितने भी सीन हुए वहाँ पे एक चूज करना is impossible.
Yeah.
Because the show has given me so much. I used to feel like Anokhi. I used to eat like Anokhi later, It runs deep, to my veins somehow. Somehow I feel it. So there's not one particular ऐसा scene नहीं है, but so many scenes all together. Scenes with Shaurya, scenes with Asma, scenes with her mom and dad, with Falak.
Yeah.
Beautiful scenes. He has done beautiful scenes. खास करके ना जहाँ पे अनोखी को वो शादी वाला एक सीन था जहाँ रीन चुकाया जाता है. He was like she put back. Even if the girl विदाई होती है वो कभी अपनी माँ the lines that she say, then she has this मैं अनोखी हूँ फलाने की बेटी हूँ. All these things, Anokhi has this weird way of speaking out of the societal norms. And this was the best
Yeah.
part of the film.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's not one single, thing, but so many. Yeah.
Okay. And one final thing, again, because people have not had enough of your singing already, so there are so many requests कि उनको please गाने के लिए बोलो. Before you say goodbye, as a thank you note to your fans, that one Gana that Anokhi and Debatama are going to sing. What is that song?
Which song? I mean, every time I get. Should I sing Jo Bheji Thi Dua? I don't know. I felt like singing.
Sure.
Any song? You said any song?
Any song. What you as your thank you to your fans.
Thank you to my fans. Then definitely it's not the song.
कोई बात नहीं. I mean, whatever you feel like.
Okay. Jo Bheji Thi Dua only. I'll sing that. Yeah. Like I sing so many songs, but the moment you ask me, oh my goodness, अभी ना मैं वो सोच में चली गई.
I know वो करना पड़ता है ना कि you actually don't realize instantly नहीं आता कौन सा गाना है. अच्छा, we can take requests. Can we take requests? You tell me. Then we can take requests.
Yeah,
Guys, what song do you want Debatama to sing? You tell me. जल्दी से बताओ. Somebody is saying मरीज़े इश्क, अनोखी, तेरी जुगनी, शायद song. I don't even know this song.
Shayad.
Ajeeb Dasta.
Okay. Ajeeb Dasta, I can sing that. Heer also, I can sing that. Momo Ke Dhage, I can sing. So.
Sing Momo Ke Dhage. It's one of my favorites. Take my request.
All right. I'll take a higher key.
Yeah.
गजरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना. तू हो गजरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना. कैसे दुनिया ने कहा सब सुना. तू हो गजरा पागल तूने मुझको है चुना. तू दिन सा है मैं रात ना दोनों आमिर के साथ. क्या था? आमिर के सांसें ले जरा. ये मोर के
धागे
कोई टोह सा
लागे. Come on.
किस तरह गिरहाए सुलझे.
Wow.
I sing better.
Wow.
It's a
sometimes you don't remember the lyrics and all, but it's beautiful. I love this song. Yeah, this is sung brilliantly. Even the Bebon version, it's a beautiful song from Sui Dhaga.
Yeah,
really like.
Yeah. I even
thank you so much. Yeah.
As well and on my Insta, but वो एकदम नीचे है. Right now, तो my voice has लग रहा है someone stamped on it. To be very frank, I'm struggling to sing somehow. I don't know why. But yes, जो भी हो, it was fun time with you, Priya.
Same here, yeah. And you are brilliant and you're so talented. Karan was telling me that she is super talented. I was like, I'll meet her and I'll speak to her. He had only good things to say. So I'm actually looking forward to getting you guys together, hosting a joint interviews like the fans have requested with the both of you. Once you guys, sit together, have a time, we'll do an interview soon. That is going to happen. But because your fans were getting really restless, I thought पहले तो मैं एक live कर ही दूँ देवात्मा के साथ, उसके बाद साथ में interview करेंगे.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Interview with Karanveer someday,
Yeah.
Yep. It was lovely.
Same here. You take care, Debatma, and thank you so much for doing this. Thank you.
Thank you, Priya. Bye. Take care.
Bye. You take care. Bye. Also, a big thank you to all of you all for watching my show, liking it in such huge numbers. I'd request all of you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you keep receiving the updates. Thank you so much.